XRP just shocked the entire crypto market with massive volatility. A sudden crash followed by an unexpected recovery. Is this a warning sign or the start of a big move ahead? Stay tuned, because this update might completely change the way you look at XRP. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop your questions in the comments. I personally reply to everyone. Make sure you watch till the end, because this video is full of useful insights that could really help you understand the next XRP move. And of course, share this video with your friends. This is not financial advice. It's only for educational purposes. Always do your own research before investing or trading. You're responsible for your own decisions. XRP has once again become the center of attention in the crypto market, showing extreme price movements over the last few days. Investors are divided. Some see opportunity, others see warning signs. The token dropped almost 15% within 24 hours before stabilizing again, showing how unpredictable the current market environment is. But despite this fall, XRP managed to hold its key support zone, proving that buyers haven't disappeared. Analysts suggest that this crash wasn't caused by XRP itself, but rather by overall market conditions. Global tensions, trade uncertainty, and liquidations across crypto pushed all major coins down temporarily. XRP found strong buying interest near the $2.20 level, where traders stepped in and prevented further decline. If this level continues to hold, it could mark a major turning point for XRP's next rally. In a surprising move, Ripple Labs reportedly plans to buy back up to $1 billion worth of XRP. This has created a wave of optimism in the community as it signals strong confidence from Ripple in its own ecosystem, pepe. Such buybacks can also lead to reduced circulating supply, which often supports long-term price growth. However, traders should keep in mind that these effects appear slowly, not overnight. From a technical point of view, if XRP breaks through the resistance area around $2.40, we could see a potential push toward $2.80 or even $3. But for that, strong volume and market confidence are necessary. Despite price fluctuations, XRP's fundamentals remain strong. The XRP ledger continues to perform flawlessly with fast transactions and stable performance. No issues were reported during the recent volatility. pepe, Ripple is also focusing heavily on institutional adoption. Their goal is to expand the use of XRP in international money transfers, making cross-border transactions faster and cheaper for global financial institutions. XRP's supply mechanism is another long-term strength. A small amount of XRP is permanently burned with every transaction, slightly reducing the total supply over time, a deflationary model that can help sustain value. Current market sentiment remains mixed. Some investors believe this dip is a golden entry opportunity, while others are waiting for stronger confirmation before re-entering. The trading volume shows that big players are still observing the trend. On the chart, XRP short-term support sits near $2.23 to $2.25, while resistance lies at $2.38 to $2.40. A decisive breakout above $2.40 could open the door for a sharp move upward. Global macro factors continue to play a major role. Tensions between large economies and uncertain economic data keep investors cautious. Once the global environment stabilizes, risk assets like XRP could bounce stronger. Ripple's ongoing partnerships, treasury accumulation strategy, and ETF speculation are all creating a long-term bullish setup. But in the short term, volatility will likely continue, so traders must stay disciplined. For those actively trading, patience is key. Avoid emotional decisions and focus on clear levels, risk management, and market structure. Let the setup confirm itself before entering any trade. XRP's journey is far from over. It's facing challenges, but also building strong foundations for the future. Whether you're holding or just observing, this is the time to stay informed and smart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you think about XRP's next move. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.